We go. Got her back. Yep, just picked her up. Just picking her up, I should say. They just brought her around, and she's looking good. See if I still remember how to ride, because it's been so long. So anyway, there she is. Yep. Need to do a little clean on her. We'll do that today. Wow, it's been so long. That scared me there for a second. The switch was off. I never turned that switch off, but whoever pulled it around did it. Oh yeah, we gotta let her warm up a little bit before we go. Do 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 do. Yeah, we got a bar. See, we got a bar right there. If you get rolling on this bike before it hits 2 bars, it takes a little while to hit 2 bars. But if you leave it sit and run and idle before you get going, then it gets up to normal operating temperature a lot quicker. Oh wow, man, goat on a motorcycle. Oh, I forgot to turn on my music. Oh man, it feels so good. Oh yeah, I am smiling. I haven't smiled this much in a long time. Well, since last night. Whee, God, this thing feels so good. Just take it easy, go. Take it easy. Nothing handles like a duck. The power and the handling of this thing is incredible. I haven't ridden her in 2 months. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was going to rain on me. I said so in the live stream. Look at that. Oh, man. I knew it. Oh, my goodness. Of course. The universe hates me, folks. The universe frickin' hates me for sure. Yep. Well, I gotta clean the bike anyway, so. Look at this fucking traffic. Oh my goodness. Ain't no way. Bike pass. We got bike pass. Like, they just can't take a turn for some reason, these people. All these people in cars, they just cannot figure out a frickin' turn. It's kind of wild. Like, look at them all just lined up. At least it's so, it looks like the rain's over there and we're going that way, so at least I won't be freaking wet all day. I already feel a little bit of dampness. See, there's nothing here. They just can't turn. Ah, it's so scary. Oh my God. Look how low these walls are. If you're on a bike, don't haul ass up here. You might go flying squirrel 100 feet down. fuckers, man, they're always in the left lane. Still a little bit of rain falling right here. Well, I feel the heat coming off this bike. Woo! Not used to it. My legs have gotten soft as far as sensitivity goes. Oh, more rain. God dang it, I thought I was going to escape it.